Hello, welcome to another English lesson. The theme of this lesson is being me. Being me. Alright, let's move on. Go straight to the show. So, today we're learning about verbs, alright? So, as is defined here, a verb means an action or a state of being. You've also learned a verb is a doing word or an action word, which is also correct. But I'll show you why we're using this new definition. Very simple. Let me read again. A verb names an action or a state of being. For my full stop there. Now, examples of verbs: riding, playing, is, was. Don't get confused. Just stay with us. This lesson is very understandable. So let's go. Most verbs, let me put this in bold so you understand how serious this is. Most verbs name an action. The verb be is different. It tells about someone or something. So when you hear, verbs are doing words or action words, about riding, playing, dancing, shooting, fishing, flying. These are verbs that you know. Just a second. These are verbs that you know. However, we're learning about the verb be. It's different. It's a verb. Be. It tells about someone or something. So forms of the verb be, the verb be has other forms. So what we've learned so far, just stay with me. That verbs name actions or states of being, right? Examples of verbs are riding, playing, dancing, fishing, is, was, be. Now, most verbs name actions, but there's one verb that's pretty different. It tells about someone or something. Now, this verb has other forms, which are am, is, and are. So be. This verb be has other forms: am, is, and are. Now let's get to the rules so you understand how this works. We use is with one person, a place, or a thing. So, an example of a sentence with the word is. We're talking about one person. Mr. Nelson is my teacher. When we're talking about one person, we use is. This phone is mine. One thing. Next rule. We use are with more than one person, one place, or when you're using the word you. Very easy. We use is one person, a place, or a thing. We use are with more than one person, more than one place, or more than one thing, or when we're using the word you. Y-O-U, you. All these things that are important, I've boldened them so you can know which words are important or special over here. So example, when we're talking about we're talking about somebody is speaking, right? When we say we are studying, one person is speaking, but they are speaking for not only themselves, but they and a group of people. So we are going to the mall. We are studying history. So you see, we use are with more than one person. We don't say we is studying. We are studying. Now another time where you can use the word are is when you're using the pronoun you. So you are happy. We don't use the word you with is. We use it with are. Very simple. And then the next rule. So yeah, 3 rules here. I'll go over them, but just stay with me as we move on from the one to the other. The next rule is we use am with the word I. Example, I'm happy today. Very simple. Right? I am happy today. Very simple. I am. We don't say they am, she am. Am is only used with I. The pronoun I. Very simple. Let's go over the rules again. We use is when we're describing one person, one place, or thing. Mr. Nelson is my teacher. This phone is mine. We use are when we're talking about more than one person, more than one place, or more than a thing. More than a thing, more than one thing, more than a thing. Or with the word you, or the pronoun you. So when we're talking about more than one person, more than one place, or more than a thing, we use are. If you're using the pronoun you, we use are. Simple. Then am is used with the word I. So is, are, and am are forms of the verb be. Again, let me come back to this. Most verbs name an action. The verb be is different. It tells about someone or something. Forms of be are am, is, and are. Now we've gone over the rules over here. 1, 2, and 3. Sorry. This first rule, we use is with one person. Second rule, we use are with more than one person, more than one place, more than one thing, or with the word you. And then we use am with the word I. That's all for today's lesson. Very simple. Being me. Being me. That's the end of today's lesson. I'll catch you in the next lesson. Please stay safe and see you later. Bye.